Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So we are going to be doing a deep condition. I hope you enjoy it. So the first ingredient we have was hibiscus. I'm going to be using neem powder. I'm going to be using amla powder. I'm going to be using flaxseed. Okay. I am also going to be using chebe powder as well. And I am going to be using moringa as well. Okay, so if you're into the channel, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Then I'm also going to be using our fenugreek, but it's the water I will use. So for these ones that are still in this kind of form, I'm going to blend it. So I will be using like 2 tablespoons of the flaxseed. Then I blended it off camera. This is what we have. Okay, so I'm going to be mixing the rest of our ingredients, which is the neem powder. For the proportion I'll be using 1 tablespoon. Okay guys, so just follow the recipe, and I hope you try this is so amazing for hair growth. It's gonna really deep condition your hair and enrich your hair follicles. Okay, so all these ingredients are really awesome for hair. All right, and I'm also going to be using our deep condition, which is the mega growth, okay? Because I don't want to just put only this on my hair here, guys. So you can implement this with your normal deep condition or your normal condition and deep condition your hair. Using Avidevic ingredients for your deep condition is really awesome for our hair growth. Okay, it helps to promote hair growth, it helps to enhance that hair growth that we are lacking, okay, than just using ordinary deep condition like product deep condition. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. Anyway, so I'm going to be using a warm water to mix this together, and I'm going to allow this to soak for like 8 hours before I will put in our product deep condition. So the remaining, when I saved my hibiscus, it was not, it didn't, it got some remaining chaff, so I had to soak that remaining chaff. Okay, I put water of my fenugreek, I put it inside the remaining chaff of my hibiscus and flaxseed. I soak it for a while as well. Then I pour it inside this our mixture. Okay, so I always say in my channel, none of my DIY ingredients will go to waste. Okay, so this is a bit watery, so I added more ingredients to it. All the ingredient I did, I added more ingredients to it just to make it a little bit thicker. So guys, work with what works for your hair. Okay, so if you want yours watery, you can use that, but if you want yours thicker, you can use that. So this is the consistency I have. I am going to cover this and allow this to sit for 8 hours. Then after 8 hours I will come back and mix it. So this has sit for a while, okay, and this is the mixture we have. Is a bit thicker now. Then I am going to be adding our mega growth hair deep condition, this one. Okay, so I am enhancing this deep condition. I really like this deep condition. It's really good for our hair. Like the first impression I did, I was like, I don't know what's going on, but now I'm falling in love with mega growth deep condition. So I used 1 tablespoon for that. Okay, I mix everything together, and the condition was a little bit lighter, but I use it like that. Okay, if you want to add more of your Avdevic spices, you can, but I just like, let's just leave it this way. So I'm going to be showing you guys application. If you watched this essay, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. So besties, I love this application bottle. It makes the application so easy. I decided to pour it inside here so that my application can be very easy. cleaner clip. This thing cannot come out with this, okay, because it's not only water based, it's more of, it's a bit thick. I thought it would come out because it's a bit watery like this, but it didn't come out using this. So I am going to apply it directly like this on my hair. Just pray my nails don't turn another color because of the, what do you call it again? So we're just going to do it like this. Less scatter up and down. I went to the toilet to go and do this thing because this thing is very, very messy. Oh, you're not yet done. You're not yet done. I want to make sure I put everything on my hair. Okay, this thing is very messy, so I advise you do this in your toilet because this is messy. If you guys can hear me, I'm not using my mic. So I'm going to go back to the toilet and finish this, then I'll be right back. Since I am done, this is what my hair looks like. From black to red. So I'm going to cover it. I'm going to sit under this for 30 minutes and I'll be right back. So besties, this is my hair after I have rinsed it out. I love this deep condition. Like, it's so good for your hair. So note that you are going to wash your hair really well, like more than one time. You have to wash it like 3, 4, 5 times to remove every things from your hair. So I just want to let you guys know that you have to wash your hair really well to remove all your deep condition. I love the volume of my hair. Like, my hair is giving healthiness and all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.